to work with the bodies, the Ministry of Education, among other stakeholders, to come up with a solution. I don't have a solution, but what I am seeing is we need to have a situational analysis and be able to and be able to develop action plans following that. There's a Doctors' Interns Act that I believe is ongoing, and I think that is one of the areas we can start with and strengthen. Equally, there are the return to work formulas that were given to the doctors. Of which we can implement with support from Treasury and other sectors. Conducting monitoring and evaluation routinely, we can be able to strengthen this, but we need to align it with the national strategy and the MTP plan, identify the priority activity